Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now today we are having with us Ms. Pia Mahanti, who has cracked the interview post of management training in Suryodaya Small Finance Bank Limited. Now she will be sharing her thoughts and experience for the over of the interview process. So aspirants, please build your own strategy on behalf of this. Welcome Priya over here and thank you for accepting our invitation to attend this webinar.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so let's come to the main point. That the first question I want to ask you that how did you prepare yourself?
Prepare a search first when I got the JD of this company. First of all, first thing which I did was I checked the company website. I first did the research of the whole organization, how it works. Secondly, I read many articles related to banking sector so that I'm able to get knowledge related to the present trend. And lastly, that I also go through many GD topics which were going on trend so that I was easily able to prepare for the interview.
So for the preparation part, is the both the internship was helped you a lot?
Yes. Both the internship was in a broking firm, stock market, where as we know, in a broking firm, the most important thing is that a customer relationship between our clients. And in the banking sector, also the most important thing is a customer relationship. So these two internship has also helped me to get a corporate experience, which was helpful for my interview purpose.
Okay, that's nice. So my second question to you that how did you prepare your resume with respect to the JD? Means what are the things, means gloomy points or extracurricular activities? What are the things was mentioned in the resume?
Resume as such, I made my resume crisp and clear. I mentioned in the resume only one-lined statements or as a bullet point, and I mentioned only that point which will be easily explained if any question arises from the interviewer.
Okay.
So it will be a suggestion or a tip for our aspirants that we should only mention that points in our resume. If any question arises from the interview, we can easily able to answer that.
Okay. One the thing add to that the JD, on which topic the JD will be prepared from the company's perspective, you have to mention those things in the resume by which you can impress at the first sight. Okay. My third question is to you that what are the round over there? How many rounds were there?
There were two rounds, GD and personal interview.
Okay. So if you can remember, what is the JD topic?
My GD topic I clearly remember was that the role of small finance bank in a present economy.
Okay, that's nice. So I just want to know that the JD topics at the time was on the banking sector or any other sectors they're given to the for the JD topic for the other groups.
It was some related to banking and some were also abstract. It totally depend on the interviewer it was not related to the banking also. It was
Okay.
a mixture of everything.
So aspirant, please be prepared your JD things or for the JD perspective in a 360-degree approach. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the selection round of the selection percentage of the JD? Means how many were selected from the JD round?
There were total 10% in the GD and 2 got selected for the personal interview for my group.
Okay, out of 10, only 2.
Yeah.
Okay. So my second question, what was the strategy at that time? Means at the time of the GD, means if you know that many of the at the starting point, they're really humble to start the GD. So what was the strategy at the time?
Frankly speaking, when I got to know about this topic, I was literally confused from where to start and where to end. So my first strategy was that I will listen to 2 to 3% and then I will start my GD. Then I heard 2 to 3 points and then I pretty clear the where to start and where to end.
Okay. So just first listen to others' voice, then you
Ha.
put your
And I was
point.
said pretty Yeah, and then I was pretty energetic and confident with my points. So I spoke 2 or 3 times only in my GD.
Okay, that's
But I
nice.
was pretty confident and very energetic with my points. So selected.
Okay, that's great. So now let's come to the PI part. What is the first question at the PI?
The first question was, tell me about yourself as usual. The first question was that only.
Okay. Okay. So have you made any strategy when first telling about your story or any kind of go through the resume? Have you?
First, when I went to the interview round, the first question he asked me was, tell me about yourself. He took my resume and started jotting down my points, which was I was saying. Then he asked me about my family background. Then that family background. Then I told him that my father is also in a banking field. Then he started asking me related to my father, where he works, in what organization, what is the name, where destination. From there, our interview started.
Okay. Then what was the next question at PI?
Yeah, why you are interested in a banking field, in a
Okay.
banking
Okay.
sector? The next question.
Okay.
And
That's not.
second, and later on, we were asked about my internship, winter internship and summer internship.
Okay.
What was the job role and what I did there. And some questions were related to some situational round. If any customer comes to you, what are you? Just I can give an example that he asked me that if a customer gives you, if a customer asks you any personal question, then what will you answer? Then
Okay.
my opinion was I told him that I will not answer any personal question to the customer if it is not relevant to that matter. I
Okay.
strictly didn't know.
So though they,
Some
they wanted,
situational based.
so they wanted to test your what is your presence of mind at the time.
Yeah. Some questions were 2 to 3 questions he asked related to some situational route. If this situation
Okay.
comes, what will you do in that situation?
Okay. That's great. So my next question to you that why did you apply for this company or for this post?
I had a very much interest in the banking sector, as I have mentioned that my father and my grandfather also worked in banks. So I had some personal connection with this sector. So I
Okay.
always used to hear from my dad and my grandfather the what work he used to do in his organization. From there, and the same time when the JD comes, I had read the roles and responsibility similar to which my father used to do. So I was very interested
Okay.
that which I used to hear and now I want to do it practically.
So there's those things that motivated you to apply for this post.
Yeah,
Okay. So we're
yeah,
coming to the
yeah.
last part of this webinar. Please mention three key advice to our aspirants.
The advice or suggestions I just want to give from my interview, which I learned that if you are not able to answer any question, first at least give an attempt so that at least he has that you want to learn. The most important thing, you should have the keen of learning. The first thing is the learning. Second, your attitude should be good. That you should have a positive attitude. That the interviewer should know that you have a positive attitude towards your organization, and the presence of mind, and your attire should also be good.
Okay, okay, that's great. Thus, we have got a very good insight from you. I think the aspirants
Thank
will prepare on behalf of this and will build their own strategy for this. Now, aspirants, you can also connect with Priya through for the 1:1 consultation. I'll be mentioning her mail ID and the LinkedIn ID in the description box. Please go through that for the 1:1 consultation. Thank you, Priya. Thank you very much for
you.
attending this webinar. Thank you.